Hello guys, are you looking for best handgun? Here we found Canik MC9 semi-auto pistol. 28 mm elegant design, easy to install, new design, extra comfortable, improved build tail, angled rear edge for emergency one-hand racking, optical mount that can be used with the sight, double-sided and low profile, easy to disassemble slide stop lever. Single point white front sight and black flat side set. Aggressive new front and rear slide additions. New trigger guard for a more effective grip. Reversible magazine lock. Quick reloader. Extra rear grip. Two optical interfaces. Duplex holster. Inner and outer case. Canik staple and Canik toolbox. Cleaning kit 1 by 12 and 1 by 15 capacity magazine.